Good afternoon, children. Last time we solved some question from your exercises. It's not only the multiple choice question. After multiple choice question, what question we have? Some question we solve and give you some assignment. I hope sab kuriche wala na. So you have to keep your book and copy always when the live class is going on, and always thank to the Department of School Educations, the Darshans, being your live coverage, and it is a greater respect. And you always remember this is your class, is classroom class, because in lockdown period may be extended, so we cannot able to cover all the portions, which is very good opportunity to utilize this. Okay. So today I'll discussing you class 10 another part of the trigonometry portions, that is we call specific angles. You know all the angles, like many angles you learn from class 9, but we will do only specific angles, some specific angles, the value of the specific angle with respect to trigonometric function, how much it is. So we will discuss about this. Okay. So our topic is trigonometric ratios of specific angles. Okay. Of some specific angles. Okay. Only specific angles, please remember. So what are the angles? The angles, the specific as 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. The trigonometric ratios, six trigonometric ratio already learned. According to that trigonometric ratio, if their angle is 0, if their angle is 30, if their angle is 45, 60 and 90, what is their value? That is we are going to discuss. So please note it down. What is the specific angles? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay. So one by one we will discuss you. Clear? Okay. Now we discuss about 0 degree, we discuss about 90 degree here. Okay. First and last one first. Now what is the 0 degree? Look at here. If we have an angle, say is acute angle, say about 60 or something. If this angle, if we consider a point on the angle segment P, and we draw a perpendicular to the base PM, and so O is a vertex. So in order to rectify this angle, we have perpendicular this and base this. Now if angle is reduced, like okay, now reduce, now come this line, come here. This is hypotenuse we call. Now hypotenuse, this point P is come here. This angle is rotating, come down to 0. So now angle is reduced. That means this much angle is come. This P point is here. If you draw perpendicular again, it was base. Now the base is increased, but perpendicular is decreased. Look at this. When angle is decreased, perpendicular is decreased, but hypotenuse are same and base also increase. In one point of time, if it is decreased and come to this level, that means P is come here. Look at this. This P is come here. So if P is come here, so that means this hypotenuse become here as a base. The base is increased, but perpendicular is 0. So in case of 0 degree, we can say perpendicular is 0, base is equal to hypotenuse. So when base and hypotenuse are equal, you can find all the ratio. Look at this. Sine 0 degree. What is the value of sine 0 degree? Formula P by H. If it is P by H, perpendicular by hypotenuse, not it. We know yesterday. So last class, so perpendicular is 0. Base hypotenuse anything I can consider. I can write H equal to B, B equal to, all are same. So if I write base and hypotenuse are same, thus we can use anything, but 0 by anything is 0. So that means sine 0 degree value is 0. Is it clear? Easily we can find all the values, like cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree formula base by hypotenuse. So if it is base by hypotenuse, if both are same, if both are same, we can consider as, if we cancel it, you can consider as 1. That means you can cancel easily because both are value are equal. So we can get 1 value. So cos 0 degree 1. Likewise, we can find tan 0 degree. Tan 0 degree is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular already 0 we consider, and base anything, we can write base also, but 0 by anything 0. Clear? So likewise, cosec 0 degree. Cosec 0 degree is hypotenuse by perpendicular. Now look at here, the hypotenuse is whatever, keep it as it is, but perpendicular 0. So far in mathematics, we cannot divide with zeros. Is mathematicians in all over the world, they are still practicing to find the 0, how much value will come. They are still practicing. That's why the value will come infinity. They are expecting this is a very big value. So that's why you consider as we are telling not defined. In the book you can find see ND, it means not defined. In other way we can say infinity. Infinity means a very large value, and the symbol is almost like alpha, but it is close end, okay? That's called infinity sign. And we don't to confuse, alpha value is like this, one end open, one is closed. But infinity, both end is closed, okay? You used to habituate with the symbol. This is alpha, this we call alpha, okay? But here is infinity sign. So cos 0 degree is not defined so far, so that's why infinity. And now sec 0 degree. Sec 0 degree is hypotenuse by base. Both are equal. So if it is equal, you consider as 1. Last time we saw. And cot 0 degree. Cot 0 degree is base by perpendicular. What is base? Both are same. So you can keep base and hypotenuse same and perpendicular 0. That also not defined. That's called infinity sign. Clear? So in other way you can see it is 0. 0 means what is the denominator we assume? 1. So it will be opposite 1 by 0. See, 1 by 0 is called infinity here. That also we can say. Cosec and sine are reciprocal. Again, cos and sec is reciprocal. Tan and cot is reciprocal. So please remember these reciprocal cases. Clear? Now we come to 90 degree. Look at here, the 90 degree case. Suppose we have an angle this, as like before, we consider P as a point, the vertex, we draw perpendicular here is M. Now this is the angle. Now angle is increased towards the 90 degree. So now this angle is come here, okay, P, and we draw perpendicular. See what's happening? Base was this much, now base is reduced. Now again the angle is reached to this level, exactly 90 degree. That means the perpendicular P is here. So that means this hypotenuse is come here now as like perpendicular. These are coincide. P and H are equal, but base become 0. So in case of 90 degree, base is 0, perpendicular and hypotenuse are same. When they are equal, you can find easily as like these values. Clear? So like sine 90 degree. Look at here. Sine 90 is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So what is perpendicular here? Both are same. So both are same means we can cancel and it become 1. So sine 90 is 1. Easily you can find. Then cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree, base by hypotenuse. So what is base and hypotenuse? Base is 0 and hypotenuse is what? Same. So you can give H. So 0 by anything? 0. So cos 90 is 0. Then tan 90. What is tan 90 degree? Is perpendicular by base. Base is 0. So is perpendicular, just keep a P, and base is 0 means anything by 0 is not defined. So that also infinite. Clear? And others are reciprocal. You can manage with this without formula also because you already know the reciprocal. Okay. So it is cosec 90 degree. Now come on. You already know reciprocal, so easily you can find. Cosec 90 oppose reciprocal of sin 90. What is sin 90? 1. Denominator is 1. 1 by 1 means also 1. Then sec 90. Sec 90 is reciprocal of cos. Is 0 means 0 by 1. So 1 by 0 not defined. Okay. Please remember these 2 points. 1 by 0 is infinity, not defined. We call not defined. And 1 by infinity also 0. Clear? That also you can remember this part. It's very important for class 10 level. And cot 90. Cot 90 equal to opposite of tan 90. Look at this. Tan 90 is not defined. 1 by not defined is 0. In other way you can check is base by perpendicular. 0 by p 0. Are you getting it? So these are the value, but you can make this one in a chart. I'll show you one chart in order to make this chart very easily. Please look at here. This chart is very important for you. Okay. Now in this chart, I have to explain you something. After look at this chart, I'll show you another three values, 30, 45 and 60 degree. Then after that I explain this portion, how it is comes. But you have to make this chart at home. Clear? Okay, I'll come to this explanation, this chart afterwards. Now, we already done 0 degree and 90. Now we have to explain you 30, 45 and 60. Please look at here. Okay, now we come to 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay. You can able to prove 30 and 60, but I'll give you one shortcut idea. With the help of that two figure, easily we can find 30 degree and 60 degree. Clear? Look at here. In case of 30 degree and 60 degree, you remember this figure. You consider a right triangle, this is 90 degree, and you consider here is 60 degree and 30 degree, and we consider root 3, and it is 1, it is 2. Okay, we consider how it comes. I'll give you just brief example. Look at here. If it is a right triangle, no, say ABC, and in right triangle all angle is 60. If I draw perpendicular from any vertex to the opposite side, what is happening? The opposite side also bisect, side by side, the vertex angle also divided into two equal parts. If it is 60 degree, we consider equilateral triangle it is, no? Equilateral triangle. So that means this also 60, 60, 60 is 60 degree. And this is 60 degree. And this is become 30, 30 equal part. And if you consider this is 2A, this also bisect as A, A. If you consider D here, this also A, this also A. And this is as well as 2A, and this is 2A we consider. Now, we know all the value, but we don't know this. How to find this value? This value you can find with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Look at this. This figure I draw here. This is A, means 1 we consider. If we consider 1, it is 2. Okay? So, it is A, 2A, it is 60. Look at here 30. The same figure I draw here. But how to find this? By the help of Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras say? Square of this is 90 degree, no? Square of the hypotenuse means 2A square is equal to sum of the square other two sides. This value we don't know. We consider x say x or just AD. You can make it AD. So AD square is equal to AD square plus it is suppose B is BD square. So it is 4A square, AD we don't know, and it is A square. So we bring this side, 4A square minus A square is become 3A square. And this side is AD square as it is. Now, is AD you want to find, this is a distance, so square root of 3A square equal to AD square, AD, sorry. So now it's become root 3A, consider AD. Now if I consider what I told you as 1, is if you consider as 1, so that means root 3 into 1 is root 3, so I consider, so it's AD, see, AD, you can consider B. Same figure I got it from here. That way we got the value of root 3. And that is the equilateral triangle has 2. Clear? So from there easily we can find all the value. Look at here. Sine 30 degree. What is the formula? P by H. As because this is 30, perpendicular will be this one, okay? And base will be this one. But if your perpendicular is angle is changed, if it is an acute angle, your perpendicular will be this, base will be this. Hypotenuse is always same in case of 30 degree or in case of 60 degree. Both are same. So I make it 60 degree here with the black. You can really recognize. Clear? So now sine 30 is P by H. What is that? 1 by 2. So you can get sine 30 1 by 2. Clear? Likewise, we can write here cos 30, tan 30, cosec 30, sec 30 and cot 30. So cos 30 base by hypotenuse, see, this base is root 3 by 2. Tan 30 P by B, 1 by root 3. And you know they are all reciprocal. Cosec is reciprocal of sine, is become 2 by 1 is 2. Sec 30, 2 by root 3. And tan 30, what do you call? Root 3 by 1, root 3. Okay. Now you can find sine 60. Then your angle is changed. 60 angle is which one? This one, the perpendicular base hypotenuse. So P by H, see formula P by H. So P is root 3 by 2. Then cos 30, base by hypotenuse, which is base? This is base, see black, base, hypotenuse, 1 by 2. Okay? No, this is not 30, 60, sorry, 60, this angle. Then tan 60 is perpendicular by base, root 3 by 1, root 3. Likewise, opposite is cosec 60 degree is how much? 2 by root 3. Then sec 60 degree, 2 by 1 is 2. Cot 60, root 3 by 1, that means it become 1 by root 3. These are the value of 30 and 60 degree. One more value left, that is 45 degree. I will show in the side also. So now look at here, 45 degree here. This is also 45 degree. We call isosceles right triangle. So 1, 1 we consider is 90, and by the Pythagoras we can get root 2. So what will be sine 45 degree? Sine 45 degree is P by H. If it is 45, P also there, P also there. P and B are same. So we can get perpendicular by hypotenuse, these are always hypotenuse, opposite of 90, root 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Then tan 45, why it is 1 by root 2? Base by hypotenuse. P by B, 1 by 1 or 1 by 1, anything is 1, okay, 1 by 1 is 1. Then cosec 45 degree is reciprocal of cos, sine. So root 2, opposite, root 2 by 1 is root 2. Then sec 45, also root 2. Then cot 45, also same as tan 45 because reciprocal of 1 is 1. These are the value what I am showing in the chart. This is how I got it, this value, this proof. It's just like, not like I am randomly writing. It's a proof how we got the value by the help of geometry. Clear? So now, in one go if you want to write, I will show you. Write this part. I will show you how you write in one go and all the value together. That will explain you. Okay. Look at here. say 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Clear? And how many chambers are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, except 0, the 4 chambers. So every one, if I consider this is 1, okay, all the parts you're dividing by 4, okay, the 0 by, it is 0, the first part is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, so 0 by 4, okay, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, and we make the square root of these two numbers. So what will happen? And this is the angles we consider. This is the theta, and it is T ratio, means trigonometric ratio. Okay, so it's say sin theta. Clear? Okay, and here nature of sin theta when theta is increases from 0 degree to 90 degree. How nature of sin theta means how sin theta vary. Okay, how sin theta vary, that you have to write. How sin theta change? Say what I know, sin theta already know 0. Sin 30, 1 by 2. How is 1 by 2? 0 by 4, 0. See, 1 by square root of 4 is 2. 2, 1, 2. So, 1 square root of 1 is 1, square root of root 2 is root 2. See, from there easily you can find 3, square root of root 3 you don't have, but square root of 4 is 2. And if we consider is 1. Okay. Now, make closer this one. Sin and cos, they are complementary to each other. What do you call? Complementary to each other. Means they are changing the value with respect of 90 degree. If one value is 30, another value will be 60. 60 and 30 they exchange because we are 90. 45, 45 also 90. Look at here. So that means this one 90 and plus 0, 90. So 1. Then there is also 0. They exchange their value. Root 3, this is 30 plus 60, 90. That means they can exchange. That's why they are complementary. And 1 by 2, 45, 45 same, 90. So 1 by root 2. So that way we can easily find cos theta. Then tan theta. Tan is, what I to solve the formula, sin by cos. So 0 by 1, 0. This by this, see, you can see it is a by. 2, 2 cancel, 1 by root 3. Root 2 to cancel, 1 by 1, 1. 2 cancel, root 3 by 1, root 3. 1 by 0, not defined, because you already know. Clear? Then cosec. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sine, you already know. So 0 by 1 means 1 by 0, not defined. Then it is 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, 1 by 1 is 1. Now sec. Sec theta also, they are complementary. These two are also like sine and cos, they are also complementary, okay? Complementary. So these will be exchanging the value 1, this also not defined. It is 2 by root 3, it is root 2, and it is 2. Now cot. Cot theta is not only reciprocal of tan, but also they are also complementary. So tan and cot also complementary to each other. Are you clear? So that means it's 0 by 1 means 1 by 0 not defined. See, they are exchanging. They are also complementary. Then is root 3. There is 1 by root 3 and 1 by 1 is 1. So these are the value we can find. Now look at there. Sin theta is 0 to 90, angle theta is increased 0 to 90, value also increase 0 to 1. So we can say sin theta, the nature of t ratio, instead of sin theta, the nature of t ratio. How t ratio vary? So sin theta is, we can say sin theta increases from 0 to 1. Value, not degree here. Like cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. So now look at here cos theta. They are 1 to 0. That means they decreases. We can say decreases from 0 to 1 to 0. This is not the degree, this is a value, mind it. This is a degree, this is a degree. Now tan theta 0 to not defined means increases. So we can say tan theta increases from 0 to infinity. You can use a symbol. Then cosec theta decreases from infinity to 1. Decreases from infinity to 1. And sec theta 1 to infinity increases again. Increases from 1 to infinity. Then cot theta decreases from infinity to 0. So these are the key points you have to remember, because many times multiple choice questions are supposed to come. Okay. So when sin theta increases from 0 to 90, how cosec theta vary? So you have to, if you know this cosec theta value from, so easily we can find this. And one important thing I have to tell you, nothing like memorize the value. If you make this one in exam time in the chart paper, it will take time. So my suggestion, please memorize these three values, sin, cos, tan, because others are reciprocal, just opposite you can make it. You can think how it is opposite, just reciprocal, no? So these three value, please, you have to memorize it, sin, cos, tan. Then it will be no problem for you to find other value. Now again I am showing the chart. You can make this chart at home and keep ready. Last time also I showing you one chart. This is the second chart I am showing you. Okay. Please make this chart, okay, at home. And another chart, you can make it to find easily 30 degree, 60 degree and 45 degree. If you make this one, this triangle, if you make it at home and regarding these values, easily you can make it out. I'll make it clear, okay, wait just, I'll make clear this picture. So look at here, this triangle for 60 degree, 30 degree and 90 degree, you can see, and here you can see the 2, 3, 1, and here 45, 45, 90, this is root 2, 1, 1. If you know this figure, easily you can find it out, but provided you have to know that 6 trigonometric ratios formula, then only you can able to find. Then have to know the formulas, clear? Understood? So what you learned today, the 6 trigonometric ratios we already know, and we learned today that what do you call some specific angles. What is the specific angles? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. These specific angles, if you know the value, then only you can able to come to the problem. If you don't know value, every time what you will do, I'll write the questions, or you look at the pages where is the value and searching, but exam time you not get that time. So please specify a specific value, try to memorize. Then next class what we'll do, I'll update you with the problem solving. Clear? You all understood, all of you? I hope, and please make sure I1 your chart to be ready before you sit for the class. Okay? So please don't go roam around, baharte na berabi beshi. This is the crucial time. Apni kan midterm exam ai jabo, school khola pichete. To lockdown kemon din jabo na jane. So that's why apni itu pori thakibo lage. You have to study this one for your midterm examinations. So for that, please take sincere this class, and really again you thankful to the Director of School Education, All India Radio and the Darshan to give you the live coverage, make you ahead of the syllabus although the school is closed. Okay, thank you so much. We will come to next class provided you memorize this value. Clear? Thank you.